So here's our AFC Live. New foot, new springs, screws. Adjusted the star wheel and the smoke screw. She should be ready to rip, boys, ready to rip. My glasses are fogging up, it's freezing out. And we carry on though, we carry on because we gotta get her down. Gotta get this 12 valve built. Wow, why is my ceiling cracked? So we're gonna take our 90, little tiny 90 from our power driven diesel kit. And it's gonna thread right into the top of our AFC Live. It's already got Teflon on there for us. The fitting spins, so you don't gotta worry about tightening it wrong. Oh God, what the heck was that? Why are you throwing Bud Lights at me, dude? Yeah, I threw the beer. It was me. Odell Beckham Jr. Now it's all shaken up. Dude, my mom's CRV is faster than that 12 valve Cummins. The King Ranch Cummins isn't slow. It's the best truck in the history of mankind. What are you talking about? Did you say power-driven diesel? But yes, Odell Beckham Jr., I did indeed say power-driven diesel. And we're making the Cummins fast, so don't you worry. I appreciate the Bud Light, my man, but we're gonna get on into it today. I really do have some cool stuff on the bertbuildshop.com. And we still have the orange hat giveaway, so if you want to win this FCK Light Bars orange hat, boys, make sure you drop a comment that says orange hat below. Let's get into it. Thanks, man. You're welcome for that. That's a lot better now. Now I can get some stuff done, eh? Make this King Ranch Cummins a little fast. Keep all the haters shh, because they're coming, and they're coming hard. And we're ready for them. Oh, man. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the dust in there, boys. But what is up, boys? Welcome back. Bert from Bert Builds, of course. Here, again, back, doing things for you to watch. Let's get to it. But I'll stop boring you. Let's make this truck fast. I have not even started this truck in like 14 days. It's been over 2 weeks since we pulled, maybe 2 weeks, since we pulled the 6.4 out of the ditch. Back there and down there in that hole next to the shed. But since that video, I think that was about 2 weeks ago, haven't started her. Maybe once for like a second, but she always just fires right up, purrs like a kitten, no grid heater or anything. Hold on, let it sit for a second. She's gotta think about herself. So yeah, my boost gauge is lighting up. My tuner. And just grab my delivery valve socket. And this right here, boys, everything in my hands is what you will need to get this installation done. Make your Cummins fast, your 12 valve 94 and up, P7100 pump, torque wrench, delivery valve socket, 3/4 socket. Milwaukee tools are optional, of course. This one's brand new. Brand new fuel brushless 3/4. Or, I mean, 3/8. Why did I just say 3/4? It has a 3/4 socket on it. But yeah, you need a 3/4 socket. Almost threw this at you guys. 3/4 wrench for the fuel lines. 11 mil socket. And 10 mil socket. The 10 mils for the air horn. I forget what the 11 mils for. We'll see if we even need it actually, but. Alright, so we're up under the hood here. First things first, we're gonna pop this cover off. Get this air horn off. Normally you would disconnect your batteries because you have to disconnect your grid heater. So you're gonna wanna not turn into a welder and start welding shit all over your engine. Which I've done before, low-key, of course. You know, who hasn't, every once in a while. Wow, I miss looking inside this engine bay. But yeah, we're gonna take this cover off. Take this air horn off, loosen every fuel line on top of every injector, and every fuel line on top of every delivery valve on top of the pump over here. You'll see. Alrighty, getting ready to pull this air horn out. Let's get it. Alright, so we're going to go all time-lapsey while we take this thing apart. I'm going to make a TikTok because I got banned and I got to start making those again to get my fame back up, get the clout going for the fame. I'm kidding. I really don't care. I do the TikToks for fun. They are fun. I'm good at them. Thank you for anyone who supports me on those. But yeah, we're gonna go time lapse. See what happens.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town.
Should just twist out of the boot. Like so. Ta-da. Taking these valve covers off, boys. Then we'll get the fuel lines. There's our air horn. Okay, now we can crack all our fuel lines. Cover time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3/4. Matco. 3/4. Line wrench. See how it's got the V shape in it there? Helps you. So we're gonna go ahead and just crack every single line. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Toxic day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail. I'll give up everything, daunting if I can see my dream.
So we got the valve out of the top of the pump here. So there's 6 of these guys that go into your fuel lines that pump fuel over into your injectors on this side. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but each one of these things right here is our delivery valve. So we're gonna pull these guys out. And to pull those out, we're gonna use a little magneto. Pull the delivery valves out at a little bit of an angle so these springs don't fall out like I was saying. Then you're gonna use a magnet to pull the actual 025 out. And put Bert builds on the shipping label. So this package right here, from Power Driven Diesel, like I said, this is the 600 horsepower 12 valve Cummins kit. Now, this will run you $1,700. Yes, you heard that right. $1,700. That's $1,700. So we have our AFC foot. This adjusts the fuel. Max travel kit. Delivery valves. 5x14 over injectors. Well, next day now. In the morning, cold. Got the heater going. Almost done, boys. Almost ready to start putting it back together finally, huh? But we got the AFC off. We're about to hook up the Power Driven Diesel AFC Live in-cab tuning. Then we'll do the delivery valves, put the AFC back on. Wow, these things, I should probably put my covers on. Then we'll do injectors, but we're getting there. Listen to the wind howling. Wow, it is storming out now, boys. Fudge, where's my grease gun?
I wanna be the best in the game.
Time for the fuel lines, boys.
I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving, it's real fast. Then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's
Finally,
mentally,
boys.
unhealthily, spreading
My
like
goodness.
a rare disease. But I won't let
Let's
it
go,
get to
let's
me.
go. She's
I don't
finally
need
back
your
together.
therapy. I can leave a
Cameras
legacy
at
of
5%,
bleeding.
memory's all used up.
We could fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis.